All right, we're at Chick-fil-A, and you would not believe what they have here. It's a two-story building, but what is that? It's an elevator. An elevator in a fast food restaurant is something that I never get to see every day. Anyways, here we come to the elevator at Chick-fil-A in Raleigh, North Carolina on the Village District Shopping Center. It's a ThyssenKrupp Signa4. 2. We're gonna go ahead and end the video back up here since we're actually eating here for lunch today. The bulb was burned out on the down lantern. This was installed in 2012. This appeared to be like an early installation, kind of like the one in the University Branch Library in Sugar Land. We're gonna end it on 2 now. They replaced the floor buttons with their vandal-resistant mat fixtures. It's not very typical to find an elevator in a fast food restaurant. And we're gonna end the video here. Ring the bell. Gonna go ahead and watch it close. And there it goes. And that's it.